Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing great. I hope you all are happy. I hope you all are safe, healthy, and just want to tell you, put on your mask on daily basis. Wash your hands as much as possible. Stay at home. Don't break the rules and guidelines of the government. Follow the rules and regulations of the government thoroughly. Only this can help us to avoid this lockdown. Like in Vasol counseling, and yes, I want to talk about on today's topic. Today's topic is how to avoid during the lockdown. Today's day one, so I hope you like this content. Since I'm not read anything, but yeah, I'm trying to guide you if possible. If you like all the activities and everything, kindly follow it at home and give me the feedback tomorrow that how was the activity of day one. Okay. Also, if you want to ask any other questions, kindly I am live, so you can ask me right now during this live session. You can ask me any questions related to this lockdown. I'll try to answer you as much as possible. Also, one more thing, guys, I've started a workshop via Zoom app or else Skype counseling sessions. The people who are going through some depression, anxiety issues during this lockdown period, you can join my workshop for 1 month. For the next 1 month, that is chargeable. The details of this will be also. You can check out my motivational topics on my YouTube channel, Vasol Counseling, on YouTube. Yes, let's talk about lockdown. I know every one of you are feeling really sad, really bad during this isolation period, because I feel that every single person out there have to follow, no matter what, have to follow social distancing. Every single person out there have to follow, they are into a self-isolation mode, and I understand that feeling, really stuck up. Some people really don't even have habit of going out, habit of staying at home for much long. Like they don't like to stay at home as much as usually the housewives really like to stay, they stay at home, but not really when it comes to masculine genders. Okay, so I feel that it is really difficult for every single person out there to stay at home for 24 hours, and I feel that this is most of more than half a month is completed, and because of this lockdown, and I feel that we all are really stuck up in our head. What are we supposed to do? What is the purpose of your life? I feel that every single person out there who is in right now during this lockdown period, they are going some of the internal healings, internal transformation, internal transitions. They are also thinking what am I supposed to do, how I can avoid being bored. So yeah, I have come up with different kind of activities, guys. I hope you like this kind of activities. Try to follow this kind of activities at home. But before that, I would like to tell you that if you are free today is day one, so I'll be taking this session for the next 7 days. That is 16th of April. Okay, till 16th of April I'll be taking all the live session at 2:30 p.m. sharp. So yeah, but before that, I want to tell you that kindly attend the session if you can, because this is all about lockdown, how you can be productive while sitting at home office, anywhere you are sitting, anywhere, whatever your work you are doing, how you can preventive measures and how you can be productive at home. So yes, first of all, whatever the first step is that I'm giving you one task to do it today. You have to call to 5 people every single person out there, each person has to call next 5 person who they might be your relative, they might be your friends, they might be your family members, they might be your sibling, they might be your cousins, okay, whosoever it is. In any country, you have to do either a WhatsApp call, or you have to do a text message, or you have to do a WhatsApp message, or you have to do a Skype video call to them, asking them how are they. I'm asking for the people who are not being in contact with you for so long. Okay, if you are not in contact from last 1 month with them, or you have lost the contact, so kindly revive the contacts, kindly try to be in contact with them. So today you have to do this one task, that you have to call at least 5 people today, asking them how you are doing, going with the conversation ahead. The outcome will be that it will make you happy, reviving contacts, reviving the old memories, like getting back into the contact with the people who were not in contact for so long, or for a short period of time. So you should get into contact, and you have to call at least 5 people who are not in contact with you currently. Now the next step is that whenever you are free today, you have to go to your wardrobe, pick out just 3 clothes from your wardrobe which you don't like to wear, or if you have any cloth which you don't like to wear, or which you don't want to wear anymore in the future, take out those 3 clothes and put it aside of your closet. Okay, that is because of the fact that whenever this lockdown will open, you have to contribute those, you have to give those 3 people of streets, and it's just act of kindness which will give you happiness at the end. So yes, it will make you feel happy that you are contributing in the you're contributing to in whichever way possible during this lockdown period. Okay, so these 2 important things you should do today. Okay, and one more thing, if I'm going to give you 2 activities today which you are supposed to do daily. I'm going to give you 2 activities. I'm not going to give you a description of for so long that you have to do this. No, I'm going to try to make you do it on your own. I'm going to take a feedback tomorrow that how was the activity of day 1. Okay, so just try doing this kind of activity at home. The first activity is that you have to take a pen and a paper. Okay, make 4 boxes on the page of paper, on the page with the help of on the page with the help of pen. Put 4 boxes, okay, like this, horizontally and vertically. On the first box write happiness. On the next box write not happy. On the third box below the happiness, you have to write obligations, and on the 4th box you have to write no obligations. Okay, so with the help of pen and a paper, you have to write that what are the things you have to analyze yourself, internally, mentally, and physically also. You have to analyze yourself, emotionally also you have to analyze yourself, and you have to write what are the things that makes you happy in the box of happiness, what are the things that make you that doesn't make you happy any longer. So in the box of non-happiness, you have to write it down. The obligations which you go through, or the obligations you have for yourself in your life, so you have to write in the obligation box. The obligations which you don't have, or you don't want it anymore in the future, in the box of non-obligation box. Okay, so you have to write down what makes you happy, what makes you not happy, what what are the obligations of it, what are the non obligations which you have in your life or which you don't want in the future. Okay, so you have to do this activity today, and you have to give me a feedback tomorrow that how was that activity. This was the first activity. Okay, the second activity, the outcome of this activity will be that you will be able to understand yourself more, you will be able to self analyze yourself more internally, mentally, physically and emotionally, that how are you, where do you rate yourself when it comes to happiness, not happiness, obligations and non obligations. So where do you stand with yourself. Okay, the next activity I would like to talk about, that whenever you are free, take a pen and a paper, put a blindfold on your eyes. Okay, and close your eyes, or else if you don't have any blindfold, do one thing: close your eyes, put a pen and a paper, but don't cheat. Okay, that is really important. Okay, so take a pen and a paper, close your eyes. Okay, whatever you memorize, whatever thing that comes into your memory for the first time, try to draw it. When you are while closing your eyes, you have to draw something which comes at the first place in your mind, on your mind. Okay, so you have to draw it. Okay, and then open your eyes after you are done with the drawing. Whatever you have drawn, that is okay. Take the time for 5 to 10 minutes while drawing that whatever you have in your mind while closing your eyes. Don't cheat, I'm telling you again, don't cheat while drawing. So whatever you want to draw it, but close your eyes. And after drawing it, open your eyes and see what you have made. Okay, this activity is not because like what you are making, how you are making, is it perfect or not. It is not for that. The simple idea of this activity is that you need to understand what kind of concentration power do you have, like what are you what was in your mind and what you drawn on the page. Okay, so this actually tells you that how is your concentration power, what kind of concentration power do you have for yourself, like how much capable you are when it comes to checking your concentration. Okay, so this activity is preferably for that, to check out your concentration level, how is it. Okay, so this is the second activity. The third activity I would like to talk about, the third activity was, okay, when it comes to baking and cooking. Okay, I know most of the people hate it, I understand that, but if you don't like pen or paper activity, there is something physical which you can do. That is that you can go to kitchen. The third activity is about cooking and baking. So that means that you can explore cooking. If you don't know cooking, you can explore how to do it, what is the purpose of it and all that. Like you can explore cooking skills of yourself. If you are actually an established or existent cook, like you are very good in cooking, so try to explore, try to make new dishes, try to explore your cooking skills via YouTube. Try to make something new when it comes to every single day you can try something good, something new. When it comes to ingredients, whatever available ingredients you have, you can make from it. You have to cook something new, something interesting, something out of the box with the available ingredients you have in the kitchen available, because that during this lockdown we cannot go out, right? Which is like we are in a restrictive mode. So you need to understand that whatever ingredients you have in the kitchen available, you need to go for you need to cook with those available ingredients. You don't need to buy any extra thing from outside or anything that you cannot cook. whatever ingredients available for you in the kitchen, you need to cook, you need to bake something interesting, something out of the box. And if you have done something similar today, so tomorrow kindly send me an screenshot, a photo of your cooking skills or whatever dish you have made on the comment box below of this video which I'll be posting today. And because I want to know that how many people are going for it, so it will be making kindly a screenshot and comment down below. Okay, so yes, also one more thing, this was the third activity. So all the three activities which I have told you today, kindly follow it and tomorrow give me the feedback under this video. Kindly comment down below that you have followed that particular activity or not, and if you have followed, what was the outcome of it and how you felt while doing that particular activity. So this hello, sorry, there was some issue with the internet. So try to explore yourself, try to explore your internal power within yourself. This kind of activities daily I am going to give you. I want the feedback so that I'll be able to understand how many people are contributing to this activity during this lockdown. This is like maximizing your productivity and reducing your boredom during this lockdown period. I don't know how much it will be extended, but yeah, we have quite a while. So I'm taking a 7-day session, so I want every single person out there have to attend, have to contribute something or the other thing when it comes to activities, doing activities on daily basis. Also one more thing, this will help you to increase your internal powers, increase your productivity, lessen your mental burden. If there is any issue, if you are getting bored on daily basis, you need to understand that how productive you can be while sitting at home. And what else, what more you can explore apart from being seated at home, except reading, except drawing, except doing something out of the doing something out of the box while sitting at home, something productive, something which which makes you happy. Also I would suggest you to go for physical fitness on daily basis, do some yoga, do some meditation, and kindly listen music. If if you feel that it makes you happy, music makes you happy and lighter, and soft music really helps you to heal your mental problems or mental issues. So emotional, mental, physical issues. So try to listen to music which is really soft when it comes to listening to it. So yeah, you will really like it, and this will this will help you to transform your mind in a positive way. It will help you to impact your mind in a positive way, and you'll experience a lot when it comes to your own activities, your own abilities, your own determination, dedication, concentration power. And it will also help you to avoid if you are really getting bored nowadays, since one of the person actually asked me that how I'm really getting bored at home, what kind of activities we can go for. So these are the activities which you can go for. This is like basically a including you with yourself, and exploring your own ideas, exploring your own self, exploring your own mind, exploring your own emotional level, in exploring your own concentration power within yourself, within your capacity, but by doing something productive. It's not like sitting at home doing nothing. Like if there is an activity and if you are not getting any outcome, that really won't help you out, okay, practically speaking. So this activities is given to you for a purpose, and the outcome also I have told you that how it will help you, how this kind of activities will be helping you out in building up your own power, in building up your own mental level, in building up on yourself, how you can be be productive while sitting at home, while thinking something new, something productive, how you can explore yourself, how you can get to know yourself better. Especially the first activity which I asked you to do is basically for self analyzing yourself, like where do you stand, how what is your purpose in life, like what makes you happy, what not, how do you restrict yourself, what are the things which restrict yourself, what are the barriers of it, and what you don't want in the future. So that particular activity, the first activity, which includes the happiness, not happiness, obligation and non-obligation, actually has the very effective outcome. Like there are a lot of people who has followed this kind of activity, and they are able to analyze themselves when it comes to those particular activities. So yes, kindly follow all the activities. Also, one more important thing, guys, I am doing workshop, like 1 month workshop, and the one workshop which includes 3 days Skype calls per week, online via Zoom app or else Skype sessions I'm taking for 1 month. That is chargeable. The second activity, the second workshop is also for 1 month, but it includes daily workshop. Those kind of activities I've actually designed for the people who are going through depression issues, anxiety issues during this lockdown period, how they can be productive. So if someone really wants to attend my workshop for 1 month, for next 1 month, so that particular workshop for 1 month is chargeable. The details of the workshop is given on the caption box above, or else you can check out my FB cover page. So the workshop details are given. The one is of I think 5k, the other one is of 25k. So if you are interested only, then enroll for that particular workshop. That is for 1 month. The details of the workshop is given over there. And yes, today was the day one for like how to avoid. Today was the topic. Today was the topic how to avoid boredom during the lockdown for day 1. The second day, on day 2, there will be some new topics. So every single day for the next 7 days, I'll be taking out something really nice topics for you guys, like how to avoid depression, how to overcome depression, how to overcome anxiety issues, how to be busy all the day. So a lot of different activities I'll be giving you, lot of different, like there won't be much lecture given to you for sure. There will be all practical activities which will be given to you. So every single day try out, and try to give feedbacks if you like it, and if you have made any dishes or something productive you have done, or if it is giving you positive results, those activities, kindly comment down below under my video. It will be helpful for me, and I'll be grateful to you all. Okay, so yeah guys, and I hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up or else share it further, because there are a lot of people who are dealing with the lockdown issues, and who are dealing with by getting bored during this lockdown period. This video might help them in some way or the other way. So kindly share it further, guys. Meet you tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. IST on 11th of April 2020 with some new topic on day 2 of lockdown. Okay, so yes, bye guys.